everyone, welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're diving into a classic workhorse, the 2025 GMC Savana van. It's been around for decades, but is it still a worthy contender in the modern van market? Let's find out. The Savana hasn't changed much in terms of design. GMC sticks to its tried-and-true boxy look, which might not turn heads, but it sure gets the job done. This van is built for utility, not luxury. GMC offers multiple configurations, including cargo and passenger versions, making it ideal for businesses, delivery services, and large families. Powering the 2025 Savana are two engine options, a 4.3-liter V6 with 276 horsepower and a 6.6-liter V8, pushing out 401 horsepower. Both are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing reliable performance for heavy loads and long hauls. The Savana boasts an impressive towing capacity, up to 10,000 pounds when properly equipped. Whether you're hauling tools, gear, or even a trailer, this van is built to handle it. Inside, the Savana remains functional and straightforward. No fancy tech-heavy cockpit here, just a durable, work-focused cabin. You get a 7-inch infotainment, screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but the real highlight is the massive cargo space. Customizable to fit your needs, GMC has updated the Savana with features like forward collision warning, lane departure alert, and a standard backup camera. It's not the most high-tech setup, but it gets the job done. Compared to competitors like the Ford Transit and Ram ProMaster, the Savana holds its ground with its powerful V8 option and proven durability. While others offer more modern designs and better fuel economy, this van stays true to its rugged roots. If you need a tough, no-nonsense work van with strong towing power and simple maintenance, the 2025 GMC Savana is a solid choice. But if you're looking for modern tech, better fuel efficiency, and a more refined ride, you might want to explore other options. That wraps up our review of the 2025 GMC Savana. What do you think? Does this van still hold its ground? Or is it time for GMC to modernize it? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more real, honest auto reviews. Thanks for watching Honest Auto Wheels. See you in the next one.